Hey beauties, sorry about my voice, it's very deep, it's from exhaustion, but today we are going to experiment with that little nail French tip thing that I bought. So wait till you see this product, it's very cool. And when you're done watching this, go run over to Natalie the Beauty Diva. She's uploading this morning too. I can't wait to see her get ready with me. Thank you for being here, and on with the show.
Wow, this works! Oh, it's perfect. It works. Oh my gosh! This is my French tip video, my French tip demo. This is the easiest way I have ever done a French manicure. And pardon me, I have the same shirt on because I'm just filming this right in a row, 2 in a row. Wow, wow, wow. And now I'll do this. What you have to do is roll both sides. Roll it. Now, you may get polish underneath. Okay, I haven't figured that out yet. And then you have to roll your hand in practice. You just need to practice. Oh, I like that this is beveled. So I have a stack of nail tips that you use to experiment, or this is like a little professional nail swatcher. I did take a course in doing nails when I was in my 20s, and I did the acrylic nails, and I was living at my mom's house, and the smell of the chemicals went all the way 2 floors up, and it was killing them, so I had to stop doing it. But let me show you. Let's play. Okay, I'm going to use this neon melon, and I'm going to polish the top. Now, with my length nails, I'm going to get it on the tip of my finger, which I did the other day, but it all washed off. By the time I went to bed, it was all washed off. But let's pretend this is your nail, and we're going to put it in here. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, boy, that's perfect. It's perfect. That is excellent. I'm going to put a little orange, neon, just in. It's a little sloppy because I'm doing this standing up. So let's wipe that off. This is neon hot pink. Let's do this color. I mean, that should be enough, just one swipe. Wow, look at that. So if your nails are long, you're not going to get this on your skin underneath. Let me show you the two nails that I did. Look at that. Perfect French manicure. Let's try the orange. I'm going to do it this way. Okay. Well, that came out neat. Look at that. Wow, I'm glad we didn't disappoint. All you girls are waiting to see this. Look at that. I'm happy. Let's try this. This red. The other day I was walking around with pink French tips. It was the cutest look. All right. There you go. There it is. I'm going to bring it down to the nail. Wow. Oh, it's so good. You just need to practice. Now, I'm going to try something else. This is so much fun. Okay, I'm going to try something else. I'm going to try the silly sponge because it feels just like this nail art gadget. All right. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to take this and that. I'm going to put that in. Oh my gosh. It works. It works. We finally found something that this silly sponge is good for. Besides putting your makeup on top and then mixing your makeup, that's what it's good for. But, you know, this came out a couple of years ago. I sent it out to a couple of creators, and we really don't seem to use it, but it works. Look, it works. Oh my gosh. You just make sure that you roll your finger so you get the corners of your nails. This is revolutionary. Okay, all it takes is a little practice. Just a little practice. I like that French tip. Ooh, that is cute. That is cute. I just wore these rings for you. That one I would go out with. This one, I just wore this for the video. I thought it's like, woohoo, stars. Wow. You know, this jelly sponge really works. If you don't want to lose any foundation, the jelly sponge works. You could blend with it very easy. A little practice. Okay, let's see. I think the real one works better, but you could do it with this. And the reason why the real one works better is because it's got a bubble. Put it on the side where it's rounder. It does work. You just need to practice more. You need a little more skill with this one. But with the nail art stamper, it just does it for you. And also, you can stamp your nails, polish it, and then stamp your nails with it. Well, not after it's dried, because then it's going to look like this. And it's going to stick up. You could make a design on this and then pat it on your nails. But the French tip is wild. So those are the perfect ones. This pink, this orange, this pink. Ooh! Gosh. Let me show you something else I got from SHEIN. And I have 4 jackets coming that were $9, $10, $15, and $20. Wait till you see them. I'm sure they're going to be great. But let me show you this. Oh, this amazing transparent blue what is this? An eye watch. This is the large eye watch. They have both sizes. I got an orange translucent. When I like something, I buy all the colors. I got a lime green And my watch is in here, actually. I got a white, beautiful. I got a baby pink. Oh, I melt. Oh, and I love this. Look at this, lavender. And then hot pink. Oh, oh my goodness. Why did I buy so many? Because I wanted all the colors, and because the price point was $2.50 and $3, maybe $3.50 for one of them, but the rest were all like $2, $2.50. How do you pass this up? Here's my watch. It's right in here. It's in here. Put it on this way. Oh, this is great. This is so great. I love it. It's so much fun. I love that people take the time to make stuff so we could buy stuff. Look at that. Wow. So thank you so much for being here, for being so kind. You just don't know how much I appreciate you all. You are my outlet, my social outlet, my hugs that I need during the day. I just love you all. I mean, I love you all. And even if you don't comment, I know you're there. So I'll see you in my next video. Remember, I love you. Oh, I'm so excited.